In this video, we are going to show you how to build a content map in Poppy AI. Now, this is going to be the setup we're going to use. So as you can see here, we have a Poppy chat open. So this is it. So just click this like so, and you're going to open a new chat, and then click group here on the bottom, create two groups, double click on the title and rename this as tone group. And the bottom group is reference. So tone group is going to be the voice of this map. Reference is going to be all the stuff you need to create this. Now here you want to say, using both groups connected, I want you to create a visual content map. There you go. It's a very simple prompt. You can be more specific if you want. You can tweak it. There you go. All right, it's now creating it. Now, if you're not satisfied with this, you can just pretty much just, make it create a more visual map, right? So as you can see, it's now done, right? So this is practically your content map now, right? So let's make this bigger, right? So this is pretty much the content map now, right? This is your content map. Right, you can just copy the code and just paste it somewhere else you want. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.